Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make a boneless chicken breast. So what I've got in front of me is a size 18 chicken or 1.8 kilo chicken. And we're going to do a double boneless breast is what I'd call it. So let's get into it and show you how to do this and save some money at home. First, you can see, got a bit of loose skin at the top of it from the neck. Take that off. Swing around here. We're just going to quickly just go out it, just take the wings off. We've got another video on how to take wings and legs and do all of that, but this video is all about how we make a double chicken breast, because so many people have written in and asked for me to show you my cool little tricks on how to do that, and we'll get it done. So we get to that stage. So now what we have there is what we call a barrel, or a chicken barrel. It's the double breast there. It's got the wings taken off it. So if you look in here, I'll show you with my knife, running back to front because I'm up here. You're going to cut down this line here. In between both the bones meet like that. So we're going to slice in the middle of it and it'll fall apart. And that one's easy to see there. See the cartilage there? Straight down there. So what we're going to do is start here. See that? No, just straight down. It went straight between all the bones. Then you're going to hold it, click it. Hear the click? You use your index finger, pull up here, and see that white there? That's another big piece of cartilage. Get your knife. Don't stab into the chicken. Just a little nick like that. See how I've done that? Then with your other index finger under the breast, holding here, click. See how it tore away? But don't go any more than that. Now put it back on the table, get your finger again, gonna run it down the bones. See how I'm peeling it off from the other bone? Go back over this way, and again, until you're pulling all the meat off that bone. Then you're gonna stop. Get your fingers like a hook, there, pull, and that's going to take out the middle part. That's all bone. Then get your knife, lift the chicken up. This is like a little lid, so we're going to cut into it so it opens up. So up, see, there's the lid, and it opened up. If you have a look here, you'll be able to see two tendons. This is the chicken tenderloin. So you get these, you can pull them out if you want, or leave them in there, pull them out. Then, probably can't see, but here, underneath, this little bit here, that's the wishbone. So I'm pushing it up with my finger, I can feel it, pushing it up. One little nick there with your knife, opens it up more. Another little nick there, and then go back, and it's on top. See how I'm making the bone come out? See the wishbone there? Push that off. That's all off. So that's what we call a chicken back. Chuck it over there. If you have a look at that now, that is a whole boneless double chicken breast. So that is pretty easy. Didn't take me long. Takes a bit of practice, but you could get a whole chicken from the supermarket and do this and save so much money for yourself. So hopefully you really enjoyed my quick video on how to do a double boneless chicken breast. Catch you around soon.